Today's cryptic crossword clue is odd, even, never-ending game. And this clue comes to us from one of our members, Rusty, and it's a selection clue. Everything that's going on in here is just about selecting the right letters. In fact, there's so much selection going on here that there are multiple wrong paths, and you've just got to find what works. Let's take the first possible pair of selectors, odd, even. Odd refers to taking the odd letters of some words, the first, the third, the fifth, and even refers to taking some even letters of words, the second, the fourth, the sixth, and so on. And so here, if we take the odd letters of even, our answer is going to start with EE, which is kind of a terrible way for a word to start. I don't know, are there words that start with EE? There probably are, but we can just put that in the very unlikely camp and try the other way around, which is odd, even, the even letters of the word odd. We start our word with the D from odd. And then we move on to odd, even again. And if we try that same technique, the even letters of odd again, we get another D, which would mean that our word starts with DD. That sounds even worse than it starting with EE. So let's reverse the technique and look at the odd letters of even for our second pairing of odd, even. We get the EE now. Now we have DEE. This is kind of maybe starting to seem like a word. We need one more letter. We'll get it from never ending, the ending letter of the word never. That's never ending. And R giving us the word dear, which is a kind of game.